That's the best way to express. Um, so, on the occasion of Women's Day, first of all, I want to wish all of the beautiful women sitting here a very, very happy Women's Day. Since the event is organized by Kamakhya, so of course the poem totally is written and dedicated to this wonderful NGO. I bleed. Yes, I bleed and bear the unbearable cramps. Oh yes, when I PMS, I can turn from a Devi to a vamp. I bleed, but I bleed sometimes a little late. And that explains all my anger and stress and hate. I just not bleed, but float a day before. Trust me, it's not the blood, but it's a lot more. Lot more that I can handle during a crappy day is the fear of stain and the looks on your face. My abdomen pains, my back breaks, the hormonal dance, and my anxiety expands. Now you get it why on these days we women turns into a vamp. I bleed so that you could breathe. I bleed to carry you in my womb. I bleed so that you could be born. If my bleeding is impure, so is your existence. So let's make a deal. I will not enter the temple when I bleed, but you will not meet your God till you breathe. So here is a little poem that I have also written for the women out there, for the beautiful women, wonderful women, and for all the charismatic women that we see here right now. For the woman who knows how to love, for the woman who knows the correct use of ginger and clove, for the woman who can fly high, for the woman who can dare to say goodbye, for the woman who knows no boundaries, for the woman who adjusts and washes your laundries, for the woman who is covered from head to toe, for the woman who takes pride in her body and vows to show, for the woman who nourishes a business, for the woman who believes in forgiveness, for the woman who craves for fitness, and for the woman who's known for her wittiness. Different faces of Adi Shakti, the better half of creation. Respect her as much as you respect your own existence.